Yeah, look at Diamond. Eating her bone before she goes to bed. Look it. Yeah, she better make no mess on my bed or she'll be in trouble. Look at that. Tear it up, Diamond. She loves her bones. I already see crumbs already. Now she get her butt whooped. It's a joke. She'll never get hit. So I love her so much, right, Diamond? Right, Mama? Y'all just watching how she just eats her bone up. Look at that. Like a closer look. That's her favorite bone from Aldi. Yeah, the cheap stuff. Still love it. Alright, say bye, Diamond. So I'm going to enjoy my bone. Bon appetit. Alright, bye.